Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 990N, also known as the e-postcard. This is a simple electronic form for small tax-exempt organizations. If your organization's gross receipts are normally $10,000 or less, you likely need to file this. It helps the IRS keep track of your organization's tax-exempt status with minimal effort, ensuring compliance. We will cover who needs to file and how to complete it. Understanding who must file is crucial for compliance. Generally, if your organization is tax-exempt and has gross receipts of $10,000 or less, you must file the e-postcard. However, certain organizations, like churches, their integrated auxiliaries, and governmental units are exempt. You will need your employer identification number, or EIN, and the tax year for which you are filing. Filing the e-postcard is a straightforward electronic process. You must file it directly through the IRS website using their dedicated e-postcard system. You will need to provide 8 pieces of basic information, including your organization's name, address, and employer identification number. Carefully review all entered data for accuracy before submitting the form to the Internal Revenue Service. Remember, timely filing is essential to maintain your tax-exempt status. The deadline is the 15th day of the 5th month after your organization's tax year ends. Failing to file for 3 consecutive years will result in the automatic revocation of your tax-exempt status. Always keep a copy of your submitted e-postcard for your records and double-check all information for accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.